Hello, Doctor. Welcome to our webinar session. On behalf of One Above Fitness members, I welcome you to this session and we will be discussing on guidelines to be followed by the community. So, dear viewers, we have Dr. Bharat Agarwal, General Physician at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. Dr.
Hello, everybody.
We'll start with our first question. What are the natural food or ingredients that will help to boost the immunity during COVID-19?
Natural foods to boost immunity, whether it is COVID or non-COVID state, remain the same. Nothing changes. All your green leafy vegetables, all your fruits, fresh fruits, juices, multivitamin supplements, vitamin C, vitamin D, all help to boost your immunity. A healthy lifestyle, eating well, sleeping well, and exercising well, all contribute towards a better immunity and a better health.
So, Doctor, do you also suggest for the people who are above 50 and to follow all these things for a better immunity?
Correct. So all people even above 50 can follow all of this. If you have other comorbidities like you're hypertensive or diabetic, before taking your supplements, please consult your physician or what all is included in your prescription, what else can be added.
We have another question like, are there any alternative or supplements for multivitamin and fish oil?
Yeah, so as what you call as the immunity boosters, apart from your multivitamins, which includes all your vitamin Bs, which are B1, B6, B12, you have vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E supplement can also help. Vitamin D is advocated strongly. Vitamin C in the COVID scenario has been advocated strongly for helping your mucosas. Also, all your fruits and vegetables. A high protein diet also helps in maintaining a good immunity.
What precautions to be taken for infant while they visit to hospital in this COVID situation?
Infants as such do not need any specific precaution. Probably you can just cover their face and mouth with a little cloth or some kind of a dupatta or some kind of a handkerchief, keeping it a little loose fitting because they should not feel suffocated breathing and they will start crying. You don't have specifically designed masks and they don't need a mask because ultimately they are going to be maintaining a distance from the other people.
So, as gym workouts cannot be done at home, is Surya Namaskar or yoga effective?
Any sort of exercise at home which is feasible at home is effective. It keeps you healthy, it keeps you active. Just because the gyms are closed does not mean you cannot exercise. You can do your exercises at home, Surya Namaskars, your yoga exercises, pranayam, a little bit of your other lying down exercises, stretches, all of that can be done and they do help.
So, Doctor, in this COVID situation where world figures are in public domain and every year it's get updated, and all of this is very stressful, how to handle such stress?
All right. So, first and foremost, I think ignorance is a little bit of bliss here. Don't read up all the news. Avoid the news channels. Maybe you have spent half an hour on the world updates on the news about coronavirus. Take the news from authentic sources. Go to sites which are absolutely the government sites or the sites which have proper medical sites for absolute authentic information. Stop reading WhatsApp forwards and Facebook forwards or things which do not have any authenticity. That will give you a lot of comfort, and don't try to gallop up or gobble down every news article which comes into this.
So, are there any precautions to be taken for patients who are having high BP and diabetic?
Continue your medicines regularly. You can monitor yourself at home. You have your home blood pressure monitoring instruments and a glucometer at home. Monitor it. If you find your readings are going haywire or are out of range, please consult your physician or treating doctor. You can either consult them online or you can go to physically. Most of the clinics and hospitals are open. If you can manage it online, that would be good. So you avoid a direct physical contact.
How do I protect myself from getting infected when the gym starts?
So whenever the gyms start, they should be sparsely used, in the sense not many people should be using it at the same time. You have to maintain the social distance which is advocated for any other place of work. As soon as you enter the gym, make sure you hand wash, and when you finish with your gymming, please bathe and hand wash properly before leaving the gym. Use of masks is not advocated while exercising. Please be careful.
Can COVID really affect if my immunity is good?
COVID can affect anybody. If your immunity is good, the chances of getting a serious infection are less. But you are not absolutely immune to getting a COVID infection. So you need to keep your precautions in place, which have been advocated earlier, and maintain them all the time. Nobody is 100% immune from getting COVID so far.
So, does exercise helps to increase immunity?
Exercise is a part of a healthy lifestyle, and anything which is good for a healthy lifestyle will help to boost immunity. So, whether it's good food, good rest, a good work atmosphere, and a good exercise regimen, all help in building the body's immunity.
We come to the last question. Can weight training help to increase immunity?
Weight training is again a good part of exercise, so it would eventually.
Thank you, doctor, for joining this session and helping us to provide more information about COVID. Thank you.
Thank you.